Did you know that two particles, no matter how far apart, can affect each other instantly? Welcome to the world of quantum entanglement. This enigma of the quantum realm challenges our intuitive understanding of the universe and even had the great Albert Einstein scratching his head. He famously referred to this phenomenon as spooky action at a distance, expressing his skepticism about its existence. Imagine two particles being so deeply connected that a change in one triggers an immediate response in the other, even if they are light years apart. It's as if they are two halves of the same whole, entwined in a dance that transcends space and time. This isn't the stuff of science fiction, my friends. This is real, and it's one of the most mind-bending aspects of quantum physics. So, are we in for a spooky ride? Let's delve deeper. Imagine you had a twin who lived on the other side of the world. Now imagine that every time you got a haircut, your twin's hair also got shorter. Sounds insane, right? Welcome to the world of quantum entanglement, where particles become like inseparable twins, mirroring each other's states regardless of the distance between them. It's as though they are connected by an invisible umbilical cord, maintaining a mysterious bond that transcends the limitations of space and time. Let's dive a little deeper into this puzzling realm of physics. Picture two particles that have interacted in some way and are now entangled. This means that the state of one particle is directly linked to the state of the other, no matter how far apart they might be. If one particle is spinning in one direction, the other particle will be spinning in the exact opposite direction. It's like they're in a cosmic dance, perfectly synchronized, even if they are light years apart. This isn't some magical trick, but a phenomenon deeply rooted in the fabric of the universe. Even Albert Einstein, the genius behind the theory of relativity, was baffled by this concept, dubbing it spooky action at a distance. It defies our everyday understanding of the world, pushing the boundaries of what we consider to be possible. The mind-boggling aspect of this is that the change in one particle's state is instantaneous. The moment you observe one particle and determine its state, the state of its entangled partner changes immediately, regardless of the distance. No signal, no communication, just an instant change. It's as if these particles are not just entangled, but are one and the same, existing in two places at once. Doesn't it feel like we've just stepped into a science fiction novel? But this is no fiction. This is quantum reality, a reality that challenges our understanding of the universe and the nature of reality itself. But how does this happen? Let's explore. What if I told you that this isn't just a theory, but that scientists have actually observed this phenomenon? Yes, indeed, the spooky science of quantum entanglement isn't just a concept cooked up by imaginative minds. It's a real, observable, and tested fact of our universe. Scientists have painstakingly performed a series of experiments to confirm the existence of quantum entanglement, the most noted among them being the Bell's theorem experiments. These experiments, conducted in the late 20th century, showed that entangled particles could indeed affect each other instantaneously over vast distances, defying what we know about the speed of light and the fabric of space-time. This eerie connection between particles has led to a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine a future where information can be transferred instantaneously, breaking the barriers of time and space. This is the potential that quantum entanglement holds for advanced communication. Quantum computing, a field that's been buzzing with excitement and promise, relies heavily on the principle of quantum entanglement. Quantum computers, unlike our traditional ones, use quantum bits or qubits. These qubits, when entangled, can process vast amounts of information simultaneously, potentially solving complex problems that our current computers would take thousands of years to crack. Another fascinating application is quantum teleportation. Now, don't get your hopes up. We're not talking about teleporting humans or objects like in the sci-fi movies. Instead, quantum teleportation refers to the transfer of quantum information from one place to another, again exploiting the spooky action at a distance. But, as with anything that defies our understanding of reality, there's a fair share of conspiracy theories. Some believe that this quantum connection could be used for mind control or to tap into alternate dimensions. While these claims often lack scientific backing, they certainly add a layer of intrigue to an already perplexing phenomenon. So, Is quantum entanglement just spooky science or the future of advanced communication? Well, it seems to be a bit of both. Could this be used for mind control? Could governments be using it for surveillance? Could aliens be using it to communicate? These are the sort of questions that can keep one awake at night when delving into the world of quantum entanglement. Let's take a look at some of the conspiracy theories that have been woven around this fascinating subject. First, there's the mind control theory. Some believe that quantum entanglement could provide the perfect means for mental manipulation on a grand scale. The theory suggests that if our thoughts are quantum mechanical and entangled, then they could potentially be influenced from the outside. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Then there's the surveillance theory. It revolves around the idea that governments could use quantum entanglement to monitor every single bit of information in the world in real time. Imagine a world where no secret is safe, where every conversation and every thought can be tracked and recorded. It's a dystopian vision that would make even George Orwell shudder. And let's not forget about the extraterrestrial theory. Some speculate that advanced alien civilizations might be using quantum entanglement to communicate across the vast distances of space. If true, this could explain why we haven't detected any traditional signals from other civilizations. But before we let our imaginations run wild, let's ground ourselves in reality. These are just theories, conjectures, thought experiments. They are not proven facts. While quantum entanglement is indeed strange and wonderful, there's no concrete evidence to support these conspiracy theories. Quantum mechanics is a deeply complex and nuanced field, and it's easy to get lost in the labyrinth of its possibilities. But it's important to remember that science is not a realm of wild speculation. It's a discipline grounded in empirical evidence, rigorous testing, and peer review. While these theories are fascinating, it's important to remember that science is based on evidence. So let's continue to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of quantum entanglement, but let's also remember to keep our feet firmly planted in the realm of reality. So, where does this leave us? What does the future hold for quantum entanglement? Let's take a leap into the future, shall we? The realm of quantum entanglement is not just about understanding the fundamental aspects of our universe, it's also about harnessing its potential to revolutionize the way we live, communicate, and perceive reality. Imagine a world where information can be transmitted instantaneously, regardless of the distance. This is not some science fiction dream, it's a very real possibility with quantum entanglement. Researchers are already exploring how to use entangled particles for quantum communication, a technology that could lead to ultra-secure, instantaneous communication channels. No more waiting for your emails or video calls to load. Everything could be instantaneous. But let's think bigger. What about quantum computing? While a traditional computer uses bits, a quantum computer uses quantum bits or qubits, which can be both a 0 and a 1 at the same time, thanks to the magic of quantum mechanics. This could lead to unprecedented computational power, solving problems in seconds that would take current supercomputers millions of years. And all this is just scratching the surface. The potential of quantum entanglement extends into fields like cryptography, teleportation, even climate modeling. It could redefine our understanding of time, space, and causality. It could challenge our very perception of reality. But as with any scientific breakthrough, there are challenges to overcome. The delicate nature of quantum states, the difficulty in maintaining entangled particles, the ethical and societal implications of such technologies, these are all hurdles we must navigate. So what's the takeaway here? Quantum entanglement is not just a quirky, spooky phenomenon. It's a door to a world of possibilities. A world that could be just around the corner. It's a journey of discovery, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and potential. The future of quantum entanglement is as exciting as it is mysterious. Only time will tell what mysteries quantum entanglement will unravel. So, there you have it. The mind-boggling world of quantum entanglement. We've unraveled the enigma, met the quantum twins, debated whether it's just spooky science or a potential pathway for advanced communication. We've also dipped our toes into the pool of quantum conspiracies and glimpsed at the intriguing future of quantum entanglement. But remember, While the allure of conspiracy theories can be entertaining, it's crucial to ground our beliefs in evidence. Quantum entanglement may seem like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's a real scientific phenomenon, backed by rigorous research and empirical evidence. The world of quantum physics is vast and mysterious, and while we've only just begun to understand it, it holds the promise of revolutionizing our future. So let's not be swayed by unfounded theories, but instead, let's continue to explore, learn, and grow. If you enjoyed this journey into the quantum realm and want to explore more such fascinating topics, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring.